Hello there, I'm Suman Basnet, a certified ethical hacker. You've tuned into SBComputter, where we strive to keep you updated on the digital world's unfolding narratives. Today, we're investigating the murky waters of foreign interference in the upcoming 2024 US elections. High on our radar are influence operations reportedly originating from Russia, China, and Iran. Our journey begins with an operation based in Russia, known as Doppelganger. This operation has caught the attention of cybersecurity experts for its efforts to create discord among US audiences through inauthentic news sites and social media accounts. A report from cybersecurity firm Recorded Future, published in December 2023, sheds light on Doppelganger's strategy. The operation utilizes three main sites, each masquerading as a legitimate news outlet. One site targets the LGBTQ+ community, another questions US military capabilities, and a third focuses on US politics. Facebook's parent company, Meta, has been on the front line, combating what it terms as coordinated inauthentic behavior networks. In its recent update, Meta revealed the existence of 3 such operations, 2 based in China and 1 in Russia, all with the intention to manipulate public debate for strategic objectives. However, despite Doppelganger's efforts to manipulate through thousands of social media accounts and mimic legitimate news sites, its impact remains limited. Experts attribute this to the operation's spammy tactics in promoting its content. Alongside Doppelganger, another Russian operation, the Foundation to Battle Injustice, continues to generate content critical of the US justice system, law enforcement, and political persecution. But these operations do not confine their activities to the US alone. They cast a wide net, targeting audiences in Ukraine, Germany, India, Tibet, and beyond. As we inch closer to the 2024 elections, Meta emphasizes the need to stay vigilant against these global narrative-shaping threats. As we tread the path to the 2024 elections, the importance of staying informed and alert against these foreign influence campaigns cannot be overstated. While their impact may currently be limited, the potential for manipulation persists. Here at SBComputter, we will continue to shine a light on these shadowy operations and keep you updated on the evolving situation. I'm Suman Basnet, thank you for tuning in.